This is Vladimir Gorcev and this is my new video, in which I trade the Fed funds rate and non-farm payrolls. Let me remind you that all my strategies have been employed in real-life trading since 2016 and 2017. They are described in detail in my free course, the link to which you will find in the description of this video. I highly recommend that you take this course. I am sure that you will find a lot of valuable information in it, and my trading strategies will come in handy for your trading. This time I will show you how to use the news trading strategy in practice. There will be two important economic announcements here, which I made money on easily. The first piece of news is the Fed fund rate. For this strategy, I usually use my Quotex trading account. I will provide a link to the official website of the broker in the description of this video. The broker offers free demo accounts to learn and practice, which is convenient. I prefer Quotex trading conditions for making money on the news. We know in advance at what time this or that important economic information will be announced, so we can gear up for making a transaction in advance. The option expiration for the news strategy is set to 2 minutes. The price chart of the currency pair is set to a 1-minute time frame. When the news is released, we see a strong upward price momentum. We do nothing until the long candle closes on the chart. As soon as the candlestick closes, and we see that its body is long, the shadow directed towards the momentum is small, we get ready to enter into an option. As the candle closes, we enter into a 2-minute option in the direction of momentum correction, that is, downwards. As the price continues to rise and the momentum increases, I prepared for a second trade. I set the amount of the second option to $60, and left the expiration value the same, that is, 2 minutes. When the first option closed with a loss, I immediately entered into the second contract, in the same direction as the first one. During both minutes, the market was rapidly declining. As we can see, the second option will clearly close with a profit. The sum total of the two transactions will be positive. And now let's have a look at how exactly the market reacted to the announcement of another important economic news from the US, non-farm payrolls, and the impact of this data on the market. As you can see, the price of the euro currency pair is rapidly declining, which means that we need to gear up for entering into a 2-minute call option. As soon as the candlestick closed on the chart, I entered into a call option. These are standard actions according to the rules of the time-tested news strategy. The option expires and the trade will close automatically. Here we have gained profit from the first trade. A few minutes after the transaction closed, attractive trading patterns re-emerged on the charts of some currency pairs. The price went down for several minutes and after a relatively long candle, I entered into a call. The option expiration was 2 minutes. Of course, the candles on the chart, after which I made the trade, were not as long as when the news was released. The strongest price impulses occur in the first few minutes after the announcement of important economic data. Then candlesticks may be long enough to make a new entry, but they are unlikely to be the same as immediately after the news release. This time I entered the market with my pocket option account. I will also share a link to this broker in the description of the video. This company has been tested by time, and its trading conditions can be called versatile and well suited for a variety of trading strategies. Let me remind you that in the description of the video you can also find links to my free trading course with a full description of my strategies, as well as the link to the Quotex broker. As we can see, after we made the transaction, the market fluctuated for some time and then started growing quite rapidly. This time I managed to make 2 transactions on the news of NonFarm Payrolls. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you successful trades. Bye.